Today we're showing you a 2003 John Deere 6120 tractor. It's a four-wheel drive tractor with an open operator platform. The tractor has just over 1,800 hours on it. It's a one-owner tractor. Comes with a 640 self-leveling quick attached front loader. The tractor is in excellent condition mechanically and cosmetically. The tractor has been stored inside. It's been well cared for. It has 80 horsepower. The engine is prior to all the Tier 4 emissions. It's got the 600 style hookup for your bucket connection. Bucket does show a little wear, but it's certainly very usable yet. Front grill guard. It's a 4-cylinder John Deere diesel engine. Steps on both sides of the platform. It's got the 16/9/30 rear tires on it, 2 sets of rear wheel weights, telescopic 3-point arms, top link, double hydraulics, toolbox back here, 2 rear work lights, foldable rollover bar. Very, very clean tractor, as you can see. It's got the suspension seat here for the operator. That seat does swivel left and right. It's got a tilt steering wheel. Left-hand power reverser allows you to change direction without clutching. The tractor has the 16-speed power quad transmission. You've got 4 ranges to the far right. You've got the 4-speed power shift that can be shifted without clutching. Shift the 4 speeds in each range, gives you a total of 16 speeds. Have the loader control right here with an easy reach, hand throttle, 3-point control, hydraulics, PTO also right there in the console. Down on the floor you've got your brake pedals, foot throttle to the right, clutch pedal here to the left. Very nice, very clean tractor. Again, this is a one-owner tractor. We do take trades, also offer trucking and financing. If you have any questions regarding this unit, please contact us.